Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, first and foremost, I would like to say how this channel came into existence and what its sole purpose would sort of be. So, last day I spent the day doing mostly nothing, and I came across a YouTube video that had some ideas that made me think to myself about stuff and things I would like to accomplish, become, and do in the coming years. So the basic outlining idea was that if you wanted to have if you wanted to achieve something in say 7 to 8 years, you can't start in 7 to 8 years. You need to start right away because you know, as everyone will tell you and as you heard everywhere before, great things take time. So yeah, this channel is coming into existence because of that idea. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing mostly art, mostly drawing in various mediums like watercolor, then ink like you are seeing right now, then oil, acrylic, charcoal, coal, anything you can imagine. So yeah, and that's basically what we're gonna be doing here. I'm gonna be doing some tutorials and how-tos with some tips, because me as a self-taught artist, it wasn't, I wouldn't say it was hard for me, but it certainly would have been much easier if I had like someone to tell me, you know, like buy different size pens so you don't have to spend the whole day coloring like 5 square centimeters of a painting with your 0.5 liner or something, you know. It would have saved me much time, and in that time that I had saved, I maybe learned something new, you know. So yeah, also my motivation for this was that I realized I have a lot of spare time. Well, not a lot of spare time, but I have time that I'm not spending very how would you say it, like very effectively, yeah. And I thought to myself, well, if I have that time, if I did something that could, like, I could reap the benefits of in the long run, I might as well like make what I love into a YouTube channel. So yeah, that's another point of why I am making my channel like this. And so yeah, I thought a lot about doing this, and one more reason I decided to pursue like an art YouTube channel is because I'm originally from Serbia, and I when I went to Social Blade, which is like a social media analytics website, and I turned on the filter for Serbia, I realized there are not so many how-to art tips, like channels like that, and I decided, well, somebody's gotta be the first one to do it, right? So yeah, And also like that, I'm basically gonna be making, when I make a video, a drawing video or a tutorial video, or something like that, I'm gonna be making a Serbian and an English voiceover version. So if you know both Serbian and English, then by all means, if you want to, you could watch both the videos. But basically I'm gonna be talking about the same stuff, but not in the same words, because it's extremely tedious. Trust me, I tried it, to try to say every word as it is, and to translate from Serbian to English and the other way. So I'm just gonna be doing two separate videos for every video, basically. And yeah, so I saw that Serbians got they have like makeup tutorials and stuff like that. I mean, I do consider makeup a type of art, and I think that as with all great creations that like from the old masters that are masterpieces and stuff like that, there could be in the future like makeup masterpieces. So but only time will tell, because great things stand the test of time. And yeah, I wanted to be basically like a drawing, painting, coloring tips, tutorial, art type channel. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it, because since I was little, I was doing art since I was like 3 years old. And as I said, like, great things take time. I was drawing like pretty I wouldn't say intensively, but I was drawing all the time, like from my 3rd year, from when I could hold a pencil till now. I had like a mini break in the elementary school from 3rd to 8th grade, but yeah, that wasn't so significant anyway. Through high school I was also drawing the whole time, and I developed a lot of different styles, techniques, mediums and stuff like that. And yeah, I always in my mind have like a thought that I'm thinking like, man, if somebody told me this, it would have saved me a lot of time. You know, it's not like how to paint or how to do stuff, but it's like small things, you know. Like if I had known that there are different sized like liners and stuff like that, like you saw me use on hair and the body of this video, it would have saved me like time that I could have turned into learning better, not just like wasting it on on not improving. Yeah, so yeah, that's about how this channel will go. I plan to upload like 3 to 4 videos a month, and I'll see if I can fit that into my schedule. I mean, I will fit it into my schedule because I am determined. But yeah, sometimes you may get more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Not much more really to say. This first video had to be done, and that's why it's such a bad quality. And I hope you don't mind it, and yeah, goodbye. Thanks for watching.